Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're scratching your head over the F26 error code on your Whirlpool washer, you're in the right place. This pesky error can halt your laundry routine, but don't worry, I'll break it down step by step, so you can get your machine running smoothly again. Let's dive in. First, what does the F26 error mean? In 2025 models of Whirlpool washers, this code typically signals a problem with the dispenser circuit or the drive motor. Essentially, it's your washer's way of saying there's an issue with the system that handles detergent dispensing or the motor that powers the drum's spin cycle. This error is common in front-load models and can stem from electrical faults or mechanical blockages. Now, let's talk about the causes. The most frequent culprits include loose or damaged wiring connections, a malfunctioning dispenser motor, or even a glitch in the control board. Other possibilities are blockages in the detergent dispenser, like buildup from soap residue, or issues with the pressure sensor that monitors water flow. Environmental factors, such as power surges, can also play a role, so it's worth checking your home's electrical setup. Moving on to solutions, start with the basics for safety. Always unplug your washer before troubleshooting. Begin by inspecting and cleaning the dispenser drawer. Remove any clogs or residue that might be causing the issue. Next, check all visible wiring and connections related to the dispenser and motor, tighten any loose ones and look for signs of wear or damage. If that doesn't fix it, you'll need to test the dispenser motor using a multimeter to check for continuity. If it's faulty, replacing the motor is often the next step. Parts are readily available online or from Whirlpool. For control board problems, it's best to consult a professional technician, as this involves more advanced diagnostics. Remember, if you're not comfortable with electrical work, don't risk it. Call in an expert to avoid further damage. By following these steps, you should resolve the F26 error and get back to clean clothes in no time. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more handy fixes. See you next time.